Ready to take your cucumber harvest to the next level? Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned gardener, I've got top tricks to maximize your cucumber harvest like a pro. Let's dive in. First up, choose the right cucumber variety. This decision is the cornerstone of a successful cucumber harvest. With so many varieties available, it can be overwhelming to pick the right one, especially if you're new to gardening. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through the options. This is crucial for beginners. Starting with the right variety can make your gardening experience much more enjoyable and rewarding. If you choose a variety that is well suited to your climate and soil conditions, you'll have a much higher chance of success. High-yield and disease-resistant options are your best bet. These varieties are bred to produce a lot of cucumbers and to withstand common diseases that can affect cucumber plants. This means you'll get more cucumbers with less effort and worry. These varieties are your garden workhorses, forgiving and productive. They can handle a bit of neglect and still produce a good harvest. This is especially important for beginners who are still learning the ropes of gardening. Two of my favorites are Straight 8 and Market More. These varieties have proven themselves time and again in gardens all over the world. They are reliable, productive, and easy to grow. Straight 8 produces straight 8-inch cucumbers, perfect for slicing and snacking. They have a crisp texture and a mild, refreshing flavor that makes them a favorite for fresh eating. Market More offers larger, versatile cucumbers, great for slicing, pickling, or salads. They are known for their uniform shape and dark green color, making them a beautiful addition to any garden. The key is to choose varieties known for productivity and resilience. Look for varieties that are recommended for your specific growing conditions. This will give you the best chance of a successful harvest. This sets you up for success from the start. With the right variety, you'll be able to enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious cucumbers. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you grew them yourself. But don't be afraid to experiment with other varieties. There are so many interesting and unique cucumber varieties out there. Trying new varieties can be a fun and rewarding experience. Do some research, talk to your local nursery, and see what they recommend for your climate. Local experts can provide valuable insights and help you choose the best varieties for your garden. You might be surprised at what you discover. There are so many unique and interesting cucumber varieties out there, each with its own flavor, texture, and appearance. Remember, the right variety can make all the difference. With the right choice, you'll be well on your way to a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. Now that we've picked our cucumber varieties, it's time to think about where to plant them. The location you choose can make a huge difference in how well your cucumbers grow and how many you harvest. Let's talk about the best spots in your garden to plant cucumbers. First and foremost, cucumbers love sunlight. They thrive in areas where they can soak up at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. The more sunlight they get, the more energy they have for producing those delicious cucumbers. Sunlight is like fuel for these plants, helping them grow strong and healthy. So, choose a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sun and isn't shaded by trees or buildings. Avoid areas that are prone to shade, as this can limit the amount of sunlight your cucumbers receive. Proper spacing is also crucial for healthy cucumber plants. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation, which increases the risk of diseases and pests. When plants are too close together, they compete for nutrients and water, which can stunt their growth. To avoid these issues, space your cucumber plants about 2 to 3 feet apart. This gives them room to spread out and grow to their full potential. Proper spacing ensures that each plant gets enough light, air, and nutrients. Overcrowding can lead to poor air circulation and increased disease risk. When plants are too close together, they can also become more susceptible to pests, which can quickly spread from one plant to another. By spacing your cucumber plants properly, you can help prevent these problems and ensure that your plants have the best chance to thrive. Healthy plants are more resilient and can produce more cucumbers. This gives them room to spread out and grow to their full potential. When cucumbers have enough space, they can develop strong root systems and produce more fruit. Happy plants mean more cucumbers for you. A well-planned garden with properly spaced plants can lead to a bountiful harvest. So give them the space they need to thrive. Location is key. By choosing the right spot and spacing your plants properly, you can enjoy a successful and productive cucumber harvest. Now let's dive into another crucial factor, the soil. Cucumbers are heavy feeders and need nutrient-rich soil. Enrich your soil with compost or well-rotted manure. These amendments provide a slow and steady release of nutrients. Compost improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient availability. Well-rotted manure provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Mix these amendments thoroughly into your soil. The goal is to create loose, fertile, and well-draining soil. This allows cucumber roots to spread out and access nutrients. Prepping your soil is key to a bountiful harvest. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Happy soil, happy cucumbers. Let's talk about watering. Watering is one of the most crucial aspects of growing healthy and productive cucumber plants. Without the right amount of water, your cucumbers might not reach their full potential. Cucumbers are about 95% water. This means that they rely heavily on a consistent supply of moisture to grow properly. If they don't get enough water, they can become bitter and misshapen. They need a consistent supply of moisture to thrive. It's important to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other issues. Deep, infrequent watering is the way to go. This encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plants more resilient during dry spells. Water deeply and less often to encourage deep root growth. Shallow watering can lead to weak root systems that are more susceptible to drought. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves. Wet leaves can promote the growth of fungal diseases, which can harm your plants. Watering in the morning helps prevent diseases. The morning sun will dry the leaves quickly, reducing the risk of fungal infections. How often you need to water depends on your climate and soil type. Sandy soils drain quickly and may need more frequent watering, while clay soils retain moisture longer. Aim to water deeply once or twice a week. This will ensure that the water reaches the root zone and encourages strong, healthy growth. Consistent hydration is essential for productive cucumber plants. Without enough water, the plants can become stressed and produce fewer cucumbers. Pay attention to your plant's needs and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Check the soil moisture regularly and make sure the plants are getting enough water. Happy watering, more cucumbers. Remember, a well-watered garden is a happy garden. Ready for a pro tip? Mulch your plants. Mulching helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Straw and wood chips are excellent mulch options. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your cucumber plants. Avoid piling it up against the stems to prevent rot. Mulch keeps the soil consistently moist and cool. It also helps suppress weeds, reducing competition for your plants. Mulching is a simple yet effective way to boost your cucumbers. Add mulch to your gardening arsenal. Your plants and your back will thank you. Let's talk about training your cucumbers to climb. Cucumbers naturally climb in the wild, so mimic this in your garden. Use trellises or stakes to provide vertical support. This saves space and improves air circulation. It also makes harvesting easier. Start training your cucumbers when they're about a foot tall. Weave the main stem through the trellis or tie it to a stake. Continue guiding them as they grow. You'll be amazed at how quickly they take to climbing. Training your cucumbers can make a huge difference in your harvest. Give them a helping hand. Now let's talk about regular harvesting. Harvesting isn't just about enjoying your cucumbers, it's crucial for maximizing yield. Regular harvesting signals the plant to keep producing. Aim to pick cucumbers every other day or daily during peak season. This ensures you're harvesting at peak freshness and flavor. For pickling cucumbers, let them grow a bit larger, but don't let them get too big and seedy. Regular harvesting is key to a bountiful cucumber harvest. Get out there and pick those cucumbers. Enjoy the delicious rewards of your gardening efforts. And there you have it, my top tricks to maximize your cucumber harvest like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow gardeners. Drop your cucumber growing questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.